So anytime Callie and I are in the kitchen, we are now making a tradition that we stick things to the ceiling. Yeah.
No, stay. In today's video, we are making a giant Jolly Rancher. Guys, Grace and I are in the kitchen again.
Woo!
We've already glued something to the ceiling for the day. It's going great. We have a lot of Jolly Ranchers in the studio. That one's unwrapped.
Oh, that was from me.
Too late. Grace, you've never had a Jolly Rancher in your life.
No, I haven't. And to all you people that think I'm faking it, I'm not. I haven't had soda, and I've never had Jolly Rancher, and that was the first time I had Airhead. You can call my mom.
Okay, let's call your mom.
Fine.
Greetings.
Oh, greetings. That was
Greetings.
so kind. We're on the King of Random. We're recording right now. We're making a Jolly Rancher video. Have I ever had a Jolly Rancher?
No, you don't eat sweets. You don't drink soda. You don't like anything that has like fizzy or sweet. It's like the only thing you do like candy-wise, if you were ever to taste anything or me to talk you into tasting it, it would have to be orange flavored.
Okay, and you even said citrus is what you like.
Yes. Thank you, Mom, for clarifying for all the people.
Yes. I will say ice cream. You do eat ice cream, but
I
that's
eat
about
lots
it.
of ice cream. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna make a video. Bye. Love you.
Peace out. Love you more.
Bye.
Bye.
Your mom says peace out. I love her. That was the cutest. All right, do you want to try a Jolly Rancher on camera? You don't have to like
Yeah, I'll try
eat
like
it.
a piece of it. I'm all
There's
about
no
trying
pieces. It's like put it in your mouth and then spit it out. Do you regret that?
What do you do with it?
You need to suck on it. Or you bite it. Don't bite it. Okay, you can spit it out now. It's like when you try and give a kid broccoli, just like, can I spit it out now? Do you want to go get some
Except
water?
I love broccoli. No, I'm good. It's like,
Okay,
I could do a little bit of it.
but it's not your favorite, and that's okay. Today it's not necessarily that we're eating the Jolly Ranchers, it's we want to make a giant one. And it looks like this bread loaf pan is actually gonna be kind of the perfect shape. If you look at these, they kind of get all melty and weird shape, but they're
They do.
pretty much rectangular.
They're like candy loaves.
They are candy loaves. So we're gonna make a bigger candy loaf. Now you had asked
about
me
that.
how we were going to measure how many we needed.
Yeah.
Here, let me show you.
I thought we were just gonna get.
We need about that many.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and start with, this many, and see how many more we need.
Cool. I like it. And I'm gonna assume you're gonna do the cooking over the oven.
Yeah, no, you're grounded from the stove.
It's fair. It's fair.
In the last week, Grace has managed to burn a chicken pot pie, some chicken nuggets,
Oh, our candy cane stuff. I destroyed that. That was tragic.
2 days wasted.
You know, these don't like my sweaty hands.
These don't like anybody's hands.
Okay, just making sure it's not just me.
All right, so we've got this melting right now. If you want to go ahead and spray the pan, hopefully it'll keep it from sticking. Now there is one hard globule in here, but I think it's okay.
Creates character.
See if we need any more.
Blech.
We could probably do with some more. Here, we'll scrape it out. Think we're good there? So now what we're gonna need to do is just let this cool down, so it'll be on the counter overnight, and then you are going to be able to make a logo for us. Is that right, with the
I
Cricut?
am, yep. We're gonna use the Cricut and we're gonna do the same thing like we did with the Airhead and make a nice cool label for it. And then the sides, of course, we'll just use some pink vinyl as well. So we're gonna use this logo right here. So we're gonna have a white background, then we're going to do a navy outline, and then we're gonna do the yellow banner on the bottom, and it's gonna say Jolly Rancher, but really, really, really big. I've got the sticker done. Callie's got the wrapper on the candy. Let's go put this on. You want this to be completely underneath it on this thing, correct?
I think so. What do you think?
That's what I was thinking too. It makes sense because these ends aren't like glued together.
They're not perfect.
Yeah.
Good enough.
Yep. We can just trim the edges.
The next 20 minutes will just be me trying to get vinyl to peel.
Right?
Okay, you wanna lift that up?
Yep.
Think yeah?
Thank you.
Think yeah.
Squish.
Good. This way.
Do you want me to hold?
What we're gonna do is I'm gonna twist. Twist. Let's turn it. Flip it over. Oh my gosh,
That
this is
looks
gonna
so
be
good.
perfect. Doesn't need to be perfect, but just a little bit of. I kind of want to give, I'm trying to give it a few more like wrinkles around the edges,
okay.
see, to make it kind of look the way the other ones do.
Yeah.
All right, Jolly Rancher wrapper.
Jolly Rancher.
That's a perfect size too, Grace.
Thanks. I measured it this morning.
Perfect! Perfect! Oh my gosh. We made Grace look even tinier.
Hee hee.
We did it.
It's a heck of a Jolly Rancher. If they would sell these in stores, it would make our life easier when we're trying to do things like make a giant Jolly Rancher sword.
Oh my gosh, can you imagine?
That'd be great.
Just
That is a good chunk of how big the sword, like thickness wise.
It's thicker than the sword.
It is.
We would still need several, but not as many.
We'd need like 10 instead of
Yeah.
10 boxes.
Yeah.
Guys, we can make giant candy in the studio. We're pretty good at it by now. Is there any other type of candy you want to see us turn giant? Let us know in the comments below. Guys, that's not all. You know we've always got more for you to see. If you like this kind of content, make sure to hit that box up at the top to check out our most recent video. We'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.